Good evening, everybody. Abdul, today I am going to teach you total derivative, right? And it is a very important topic in differential equation, right? Fine. Total derivative. Total derivative means it is a derivative containing both ordinary derivative and what? Partial derivative. Understand or not? Okay, fine. I will show to you. See here. Suppose u is equal to f of x comma y. U is a function of what? X comma y. Okay, fine. Here we are writing du. This is the total derivative. Or you can write df. F is there now. You can write f or u. Right or not? Is equal to, you know the formula. Remember, very, very important. When two independent variables, we are writing what? Partial derivative. Right or not? We are writing that dou u by dou x, okay, into dx plus dou u by dou y into dy. So this is a total derivative. Why? Because this is the what? Partial derivative. है ना? And this is what? Ordinary derivative. Have you understood or not? So sum of these two derivatives is nothing but total derivative. Okay. So total derivative containing both partial as well as what? Ordinary derivatives. Have you understood? Okay. Now I will give some formulas to you. Right? Fine. Formulas. Open this one. I will tell some formulas. First bit number 1. If first one bolo function, give here I will tell. U is equal to f of x comma y comma z. Okay, and x is equal to x of t. X is equal to x of t. Y is equal to y of t. And z is equal to z of t. Have you understood? Fine. It is one formula, very important formula. You have to remember. U is a dependent variable, right? With respect to how many independent variables? What are those? Very good. ये हो गया एक. यहाँ पे देखो x and x of t. Who is the independent variable? T. Who is the dependent? यहाँ पे x क्या था? इंडिपेंडेंट था. यहाँ पे क्या है? Are you getting my point? So यहाँ पे x के साथ t का क्या आता? Ordinary derivative आता. Only single independent variable. है ना? Because this is the what? Dependent variable. Similarly here also. Ordinary. Right? Here also. Are you getting my point or not? Okay. Now, U is a dependent with respect to 3 independent variables. Understand? Here 3 independent variables are the what? Dependent variables. With respect to 1 independent variable, who is that? T. Have you understood or not? So, directly U with respect to what? T. U से क्या है? T है ना? U is a dependent variable and T is a what? Independent variable. So एक independent variable है ना? So total derivative we are writing that du by dt. Understand? Why? U with respect to only one independent variable. Understand or not? So we are writing du by dt. Okay now? Okay, fine. Or you can write, what you can write? df by dt also you can write as usual like this one. Understand or not? Okay, this is equal to, okay, u with respect to how many independent variables? 3, है ना? I am writing this one. U with respect to x, x is the what? Independent variable. We are writing that dou u by what? Very good. Okay, but x is a dependent or not? With respect to what? T. Here you are what you are writing? dx by dt. Are you getting my point? Very good. Plus x का हो गया. The next u के साथ किसका है? du by dou y. हाँ, very good. dou u by dou y into dy by dt. Very good. dt plus dou u by dou z into dz by dt. Have you understand? Right? Fine. It is one formula. Okay. And write down this one. No. Now I will tell the second formula. Okay. What is given? See you. Z is equal to f of x comma y. X is a function of what? X is a dependent here with respect to two independent variables, u and v. And y is also with respect to two independent variables. Right or not? Okay. So directly z with respect to what? U and v. So z with respect to u and v बोले तो यहाँ पे क्या आता? Only partial derivatives आता. क्यों आता? Because z with respect to two variables. In the last also z with respect to two independent variables. Right or not? So all are under what? Partial derivatives. So what you are writing? First z with respect to what? U. Right? What you are writing? Dou z by dou u. Understand or not? Okay. So z पहले किसके साथ है? x and y के साथ है ना? Fine. So tell me dou z partial derivative यार. dou z by dou x and x किसके साथ है? u. dou x by dou u. Understand? Plus again z किसके साथ है? बोलो. dou z by dou y and dou y with respect to what? u. क्योंकि u लिए यहाँ पे. अंडरस्टैंड ना? अब क्या लेंगे? dou v. Understand or not? So tell me dou z by dou x into dou x by dou v, right? Plus dou z by dou y into dou y by what? Dou v. Have you understand? Paka? Write down this. Now I will give an example to you, right? See here. If v is equal to f of 2x minus 3y, comma 3y minus 4z, comma 4z minus what? 2x, right? Fine. Here three independent variables. है ना? I am writing here. See here. Given v is equal to, I am taking, instead of this, I am taking u, comma what? v, comma w. Have you understand? Three functions are given to us. Understand or not? Where u is a function of what? X and y. X and y. Okay. 2x minus 3y. है ना? Fine. V is equal to 4z, and w is equal to 4z minus 2x. Have you understood or not? Okay, see here. D with respect to how many independent variables are there? 3. Again, these independent are the dependent. With respect to how many independent variables here? Here 2. We also with the 2 independent variables, and W is also with the 2 independent variables. So you are getting all or what? Partial derivatives. Right or not? Okay. He is asking that first I will find Vx. Vx बोले तो क्या है? Dou v by dou x. Is it or not? Fine. So tell me dou v by dou x. Dou v by x is also independent for which one? U. And u is independent for which one? V. So पहले क्या लेंगे? U लेंगे. यहाँ पे बड़ा भी लिया ना, we will find out. I am taking this is A B C. What I will take? A B C. Because V here now, you will find out. I am writing A, B, and C. Any problem to you? No problem. Okay. So tell me, dou v by dou x is equal to what you have to write? Dou v by what? Dou A into dou A by what? Dou x. Okay? Fine with respect to x. Next again, dou v by dou x plus again v with respect to what? B. So tell me dou v by dou b into dou b by dou x. Are you getting my point? Because here what is that in down? X is there. Total x you have to write. Understand or not? Plus, tell me next. Dou v by into dou c by dou x. Are you getting my point? Okay. This is equal to. Okay. Fine. Dou v by dou a. Dou v by dou a. Okay. I am keeping this one like that only. Dou v by dou a. Dou a by dou x here. Understand or not? Tell me, dou a by dou x is equal to how much? With the derivative of a with respect to what? X. Y kept a constant. Okay. So कितना आता? 2 है ना? 5 plus dou v by dou b into what is the value of dou v by dou x? नहीं है. तो क्या आता? 0, because x is not here, right? Plus dou v by dou c into dou c by dou x. How much? Minus 2. Are you getting my point? 5 is equal to how much you got? 2 dou v by dou a. ये तो 0 हो गया नहीं? Minus 2 dou v by what? Dou c. Is it or not? है. ये Vx आया कि नहीं? Equation number 1. Next what you have to find? Vy. समझ में आ रहा है ना? Vy. Tell me similarly, dou v by dou a into dou a by what? Dou y. Dou y plus dou v by dou b into dou v by what? Dou y plus dou v by dou c into dou c by what? Dou y. Are you getting my point? Yes. So this is equal to is it? Fine. So dou v by dou a you have to keep like that only. No value is there. Dou a by dou y with respect to y. How much you are getting? Minus 3. Right? Plus dou v by dou b. B with respect to what? Y. How much? 3 plus dou v by dou c. How much you are getting with respect to c? 1. Nothing is there, 0. Understand? Fine. So what you got here? Vy is equal to what that? Minus 3 dou v by dou a plus 3 dou v by dou b. Have you understand? Give equation number 2. Understand or not? Write down first. Similarly, you have to find out what? Vz. Vz. Sorry, V. यहाँ पे क्या लिखे हम? हाँ, Vz. What is that? Vz. Okay. Vz. That is nothing but what? Dou v by dou z. Is it or not? Tell me. Dou v by dou a into dou a by dou z plus dou v by dou b into dou v by dou z. Are you getting my point? Dou v by dou c into dou c by dou z. Understand or not? Fine. So this is equal to dou v by dou a by dou z. A with respect to what? 2x minus 3y. Is it or not? So z is not there. Right? So we are getting 0 plus dou v by dou b into dou v by dou z, dou b by dou z. So minus 4 plus dou v by dou c, because u is equal to कितना है? 2x minus 3y. A is equal to कितना है? 2x minus 3. B is equal to 3y minus 4z. C is equal to 4z minus 2. Getting or not? We got minus 4. Understand? Fine. Next, dou v by dou c. C with respect to what? Z4. Have you understand? Okay, fine. So Vz is equal to, you got that. This will be 0. Understand or not? Minus 4 dou v by dou b plus 4 dou v by what? Dou c. Equation number 3. Right? But LHS क्या दिया हुआ? Tell me LHS क्या प्रूव करना है? 6bx plus 4by plus 3bz है ना? इज इक्वल कितना आना? 0 आना. This is equal to 6vx. How much you got? Equation 1. बोलो कितना आया? Equation 1 you got 2 dou v by dou a minus 2 dou v by dou c. Getting? Plus 4 into minus 3. How? That is the nothing but minus 3 dou v by dou a plus 3 dou v by dou b. Understand or not? Plus 3 into Vz minus 4 dou v by dou b plus 4 dou v by dou c. Are you getting my point or not? We have to simplify this. You are getting the result how much? 0. 6 2 ja 12 dou v by dou a minus 12 dou v by dou c minus 12 dou v by dou a. Are you getting my point or not? Plus 12 dou v by dou b plus into minus 12 dou v by dou b plus 12 dou v by dou c. देखो plus 12 dou v by dou a minus 12 dou v by dou a get cancel. Minus 12 dou v by dou c plus 12 dou v by dou c get cancel. Plus 12 dou v by dou b minus 12 dou v by dou b get cancel. So you got the result how much? Hence proved. Have you understand? If you know the formulas very well, problems are nothing. Any type of problem you can solve because we know the what concept. ఓకే, దీని గురించి మంచిగా కాన్సెప్ట్ నేర్చుకోవాలి. మీరు కాన్సెప్ట్ నేర్చుకుంటే ప్రతి ఒక్క ప్రాబ్లం మీకు ఈజీ అవుతుంది. అర్థం అవుతుందా మీకు? ఓకేనా? బాయ్ నాన్న.